Welcome. Let's dive into the thrilling world of hamster combat and explore the potential value of 1 million hamster tokens. Soon, hamster combat will be listed on exchanges, which could significantly impact its price. The increased visibility and accessibility often drive demand, potentially leading to price surges. Keep an eye on official announcements to capitalize on this opportunity. Hamster combat is rapidly gaining attention in the crypto mining world. Before diving in, remember, this is speculation based on my research and not financial advice. Imagine sitting on a mountain of hamster combat coins, wondering about their worth. We'll use the journey of Notcoin as a guide. Notcoin launched with 35 million users and a market cap of $200 million. Hamster combat boasts 200 million users, a significant increase, suggesting massive potential. Notcoin mined 102 trillion tokens, dividing by 1,000 to reach a supply of 102 billion. Hamster combat could have a similar supply of 100 trillion tokens. If you mined 1 million tokens after division, you'd have 1,000 actual tokens. At an initial price of $0.1 per token, that's worth $1. However, crypto values often surge. If it increases 4x, your 1,000 tokens could be worth $4. Dedicated miners accumulating 100 million tokens could see values of $400, potentially much higher if following Notcoin's trajectory. Top miners reach speeds of 3 million tokens per hour, potentially earning $1,000 at launch prices, and $4,000 if the value multiplies. Hamster combat's value will come from market demand and its massive community. While speculative, the potential is exciting. Keep mining, stay engaged, and do your research. To recap, hamster combat has more than 200 million users. Potential token supply is around 100 trillion. Your mined tokens might be divided by 1,000. Initial token value might start low but could surge. Mining speed impacts earnings. Market demand drives value. Being part of a large community adds intangible value,